Now that we know where and how to highlight and contour the face, we go over to the second step, which is finding the correct shade and texture of the products. Have you ever asked yourself why the same dark shade does not look good on different skin tones? For instance, you have a fair skin tone and you use a warm brown contour shade which turns orange on the client's face after blending it. So the next situation is when you have a client who is a person of color and you use an ashy dark brown contour shade on her face, then it turns muddy. If you use a highlight and contour palette, there are different shades with different undertones for a reason. When it comes to the right shade, you have to choose the right undertone here as well. For instance, I have a warm undertone, so a brown with a warm undertone will look natural on me. A fair person, on the other hand, would need a brown that is lighter and has a cool undertone. For example, an ashy brown. Please take a note that you should go only 2 to 3 shades darker or lighter than your actual foundation shade for the contour and highlight. Otherwise, it will be hard to blend, plus it will look unnatural. The right texture is also important at the beginning, as with a creamy textured contour shade you can blend easier. You will get a seamless, soft, glowy finish, perfect for a decent makeup look. Once you've learned how to work with cream textures, now you can also work with powders. The reason why I'm saying this is because powder can look a little patchy at the beginning, so blending is key. Also, the finish you get with the powder is matte, so if you have a dry skin it can look cakey on it, so it's important to consider the skin type before choosing the right texture. For a more glamorous evening look, you can use the powder method or both together.